After our tweets went viral and we started reaching out to potential sponsors, potential attendees, I reached out to this one of our very big one of our very big guys on the internet, Mr. Guy Ostibeze, Bitcoin chief. He likes to pride himself as the first African to buy Bitcoin when it comes out, and he's a motivation to anything Igbo-centric. So I sent him a DM. It took a while before he responded, and when he responded, he gave me his direct contact and he told me how very much pleased he was to sponsor our event. Before I proceed, I want to tell you about one of Mr. Gaius's products. Mr. Gaius is the CEO of Voice of the East, and he also owns the Kedu app. The Kedu app is an Igbo platform where Igbo youth, Igbo people come together and just when make it get to know themselves better and enjoy themselves. So if you're watching this video, make sure you download the Kedu app. So Mr. Gaius actually came into the picture and he sponsored some certain aspects of our budget for the event. And then we also had other sponsors, other big sponsors. We had Mex and Harris. Mex and Harris is owned by Mr. Harrison Obi. Mr. Harry Obi was the person that sent us the first 1 million naira. Even when we've not had a coordinated plan, we've not had a proposal, we've not even had a budget, Harry sent us 1 million naira. Harry owns Mex and Harris brand. And then we have our guys from Essential Facilities. Those guys were very, very super grateful to us. They provided us with most of the things we needed, especially with going forward with the planning and everything for the event. And then our event planner, Omar's Villa event. Omar's Villa was very instrumental in helping us securing most of the assets we used on that day of the event. She handled the decorations, she handled the stage, she handled our red, she handled a whole lot. We also have these guys from AfriPic. AfriPic is an Afrocentric platform where Africans can go and get stock images. We had the guys from AfriPic, and we had the guys from Nigerian Breweries, the Life brand. The Life brand came in. Life coming into this event was a miracle. They came in very much late when all hope was almost lost, and then Life came in. They became the our official beverage sponsor for that day. They gave life to our event. Life came and gave life to our event. So they're one of our major and big sponsors as well. We had the guys from DL Travels and Tours. We had the guys from Mandiba Travels and Tours, and then my personal brand to Navigators that helped us navigate most of the difficult terrains we were experiencing. We had guys from Car Lofty. Is a car brand. They came in as well and they sponsored our event. So we are grateful to all our sponsors who deemed us worthy to be invested in, because if not for their investment, we wouldn't have had a successful event. And we must also, I cannot fail to mention Harry Tweets. Harry Tweet is in Italy. He's one of our big influencers. Harry Tweet also supported us for this event. He was retweeting and he supported us financially. And we had loads of anonymous donors and even loads of good wishes from Igbos in diasporas who sent us money that they wanted this event to be a success. We are so very grateful to everybody who contributed to the success of this Lagos Igbo Hangouts financially. We say, may God bless you, may your pockets be replenished. We don't take it for granted. Ajibusu, Afam, we are very, very grateful. We also had the guys from Tazobok, one of the largest cryptocurrency trading platforms. So we are saying thank you to all our sponsors. Thank you to everybody who donated to this cause. We want to say we are very, very grateful. May your pocket be replenished and may you never know lack in the name of Jesus.
Bem, 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 bem.